Fried seafood first time on licious. Let's know how it is. Are you interested? Let's get going. Yes. This is Flying Skies 1 welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Thanks for all your support. Thank you so much. Aap kaise ho? How are you all doing? Hope you're all good. Ningalga Sugamana. Yes. This is Licious, an online store which delivers meat to its customers. If you're a first-time user of Licious, use my code that is given in the description box while you place your first order to get 200 off. Again, I repeat, use my code that is given in the description box to get 200 off on your first order. So here is some fish that I have ordered from seafood category on Licious. It comes fresh with hygienic packing. The fish that we get from outside goes into much cleaning, but the fish from Licious is super clean. You just have to wash it under running water by putting some salt and turmeric. That's it. It is a super snack if you go for pan fry, as it takes only a couple of minutes, as I tried here. Now let's see.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
Did you watch? How is the fish? You can feel the crunch from the outside and being soft from inside, right? Yes, you can not only enjoy meats, you can enjoy offers and running deals and cashbacks on Licious. Please do order and have a super good experience. That's it for today. I'll take off. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Flying Skies 1 for more videos and offers. Have a good day. Keep smiling.